This is the video tutorial for the Happy Days LUDLOW shopper, and here's how you make it. And this is what you'll need: 2 contrasting fabrics. I've used red and I've used some blue. Place 2 of your matching fabrics right sides together, so pretty side to pretty side. Line up all your sides and edges and then add some clips or pins along this straight edge, along the bottom and along this side. Once you've added your clips or your pins, take it over to the sewing machine and use a 1/4 inch seam allowance, sew all the way along this side, all along the bottom and all along this side. We won't be sewing in these box corners yet. I've sewn all along using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Now we're going to box these corners. To box the corners, pop your fingers inside, open up, and then line up this seam and the bottom seam first of all. Add a pin, straighten all your edges up, then add another pin, and then finally add one there. And then we're going to take it over the sewing machine and carefully 1/4 inch seam allowance, sew all the way across. I've sewn all the way across, and that's our first box corner finished. And now I'm going to box the other side. To box the corner, put your fingers inside, pull apart, and ensure that the seams along the side and the bottom meet. And add a clip. Make sure again that this edge lines up. And then take it over the sewing machine, use a 1/4 inch seam allowance, sew all the way across. That's my box corners finished, and now I'm going to repeat the whole process for the other colour fabric. I've done exactly the same for the blue fabric, and now you need to get your ruler and from the top edge measure 10 centimetres, make a mark, 10 centimetres this side, make a mark and draw a line across, and repeat that for each of the tops of your straps. Once you've drawn your lines across, turn one of your fabrics. I'm going to be turning my red the right way out. I've turned my red fabric the right way out, and now I'm going to put it inside my blue, which is still the wrong way. I've put my red fabric inside my blue fabric, so it's pretty side to pretty side now. So my blue is still the wrong way out. First thing to do is make sure that these side seams match up there and there, and add a clip, and do the same for this side. I've added clips on my side seams, and now I'm going to add clips all the way around this curve up to my 10cm mark line, and I'm going to repeat that for this side as well. I've added clips to this curve and to this curve, and now I'm going to add clips all the way around, so from this 10cm mark all the way around to the other 10cm mark. I've added clips all the way around this curve, and now I'm going to carefully turn it over and repeat the process on the other side. We've now got all our clipped edges ready, and we've got to take it over the sewing machine now and sew from the line all the way around the clipped edges on the front, and again from the line all the way around the clipped edges all the way around to the other side. Make sure you don't pass the line. Do the same for this side as well, exactly the same, and for this side as well. Once again, remember, do not sew over your line. I've sewn all the way around my clipped edges, remembering not to sew over my 10cm line. And now the fun bit, got to turn it the right way out. And to turn it the right way out, choose one of your handles and just carefully pull away. I've turned the bag the right way out. Now we're going to fix the handles. Take two of the same colour and place right sides together. Pop those out the way for now. Right sides together, so pretty side to pretty side. Line up your top edge and then add a clip. Now take it over to your sewing machine, 1/4 inch seam allowance, carefully sew all the way across. I've sewn right across the blue, and now I'm going to do exactly the same for the blue handles on the other side. I've sewn both my blue handles across, that one and that one, and now we're going to sew the red ones. To do the red ones, take your fabrics, and these are a little bit more tricky. You've got to twist, so hold them in your hand and then place them right sides together, and just as we did with the blue, line up the top edges and then add some clips. So it should look like that. Now take it over to your sewing machine, 1/4 inch seam allowance, just the same as the blue one, right the way across. And now I'm going to do the red handles on this side. So as I did before, right sides together, line up the top, add some clips. If you're uncertain that you've not done it the right way, before you sew, open everything up with the clips on and make sure it looks like that and not twisted. Once you're happy that it's together the right way, take it over your sewing machine, 1/4 inch seam allowance all the way across. Now to tidy up the handles, take it over to your iron, fold in your seam allowances, make sure that your centre seams on both sides match up and press. Once you've pressed it, add some clips. I've added some clips to this side. Now I'm going to repeat the whole process, folding in my seam allowance on this edge. I've folded in my seam allowances both sides and added clips, and now I've got to repeat the whole thing for the other handle. Now both handles are ready for the next stage, and we need to take it over the sewing machine. I always increase my stitch length to a 4, and we're going to top stitch all the way around, and this will automatically seal up the gap we left, and we need to do that on this side, on this side, on this side and on this side, all the way around. I've top stitched all the way around, can you see? And that's your Ludlow shopper all finished.